This is the scene across the island each year on May 23, Labor Day. Scores of volunteers and government representatives come out to support national, parish and community projects. It's a day of giving back to schools, police stations, health centers, and many others.
This is a perfect example of what Labor Day means.
The day allows the government and the community members to pool resources, especially manpower, to get critical work done in a short period of time. And the impact of the work on institutions benefiting is tremendous. One example is the Cumberland Road Health Center in Spanish Town, one of the national projects for Labor Day 2018. The facility was in dire need of a larger waiting area for patients, improved storage area to file records, and a general facelift.
It's an old building, so it was dilapidated. So even though we are still short on space, the comfort will be much improved.
So a large group of volunteers got to work almost 1 year ago today. As the country prepares to labor on a new batch of national projects, we revisited the Cumberland Road Health Center. The facility now boasts a new waiting area, much to the comfort of the many patients who visit the facility.
They were really grateful, especially the mothers with the young baby, so they can sit, feed the baby, sit and wait in a covered area if it's raining or so, and everybody doesn't have to be bundled in one place and can't find seats, so you have to be telling people to shift down. Now everybody can be comfortable seated.
And that's not all. This area was also completed and now stores patients' records.
It helps a lot because inside there now, more cabinets can hold inside, so we have more files instead of everything packed inside here. We usually have the files, the cabinet on the veranda, so when rain fall, the records usually get wet.
And thanks to the kind donation of this large water tank by the Urban Development Corporation, the health center is now able to operate during water lock-offs.
We got a brand new 750, I think, gallon water tank, and that was installed. Now, water for health is always important. It is vital. You have to wash hands after each patient, and every patient that comes needs to use bathroom facilities. So that also impacts on your water. So if a day comes and you don't have water, you don't have to tell the people, well, listen, we have to scale down, we can't do some of your services, so you can do it now because water is available. We now have 2 tanks that supplies water if we are out anytime at all.
The Cumberland Road Health Center also benefited from the construction of a ramp, making it easier for persons with physical disability to access the building.
Well, the ramp building help the patient much because when the wheelchair patient come, we have it to push them in. You understand? So the ramp was a great improvement towards the structure.
This is just one of the many positive stories that highlight the benefits of Labor Day projects. So the next time you volunteer to help, just think of the many lives you are touching as you contribute to nation building.
I think Labor Day project is a good thing, and the reasons is wherever they go to do the project, it helps much because sometimes they paint the place, as you see they build our place around there, and it was very appreciated. So the Labor Day project is a good thing.
Labor Day project anywhere in health always helps.
So make that commitment to go out on May 23 and make a difference in your community.